Hey guys, welcome. Ever feel like your ChatGPT text sounds, well, robotic? In this quick video, I'll show you and tell you how to humanize your ChatGPT responses to make them feel more natural, conversational, and even a little bit more you. Let's get started. So first, my friends, you need to ditch the formal tone, add simple phrases like I think, honestly, in my experience, or even a little humor. For example, instead of saying the weather is 75 degrees today, go for it's a perfect 75 today. Feels like a summer's showing off. In general, just add some personality to it. After that, AI text is often too perfect. Break that rhythm. Use contractions like it's, your, and mix sentence lengths. Toss in some natural pauses or filler words like so, well, honestly, to make it sound like you're thinking as you speak. And if you want to sound even more human, drop in pop culture, relatable daily stuff, or emotions, like saying, this update is as slow as my Monday mornings. That instantly gives your text some flavor. And another trick, ask rhetorical questions or include your audience. Sounds cool, right? Or have you ever noticed how that instantly builds a connection? So in general, as a recap, first add personality, then mix sentence styles, use relatable language, and ask questions. And that's how you make ChatGPT sound like a real person, or at least not like a robot in a suit. So if this helped, give this video a thumbs up, and of course, check the description for more tips. Subscribe to the channel. See you soon.